And now for something completely different, let me show you what AI cannot do for you in your garden. Take a look at these Coleuses. They are some of my favorite flowers. They're not pollinators or anything, they're just beautiful. So I have them here under this apple tree that I grew from seed. But look at the beauty in these Coleuses. There's many different varieties. I grew these from seeds in my winter sowing containers. This is my winter sowing container. There's still a few in here that I haven't transplanted anywhere. Yeah, I need to get these planted out so they'll start getting big. Look at this. It's so cool how many variations there are. And this was in one pack of seeds. And they start out as tiny little seeds, tiny little plants, and they grow, grow, grow. Pretty soon I'll be cutting these off. You can cut them off, put the stem in the ground, and they'll root and have another whole plant of the same variety, the same style. So whatever style you like, you can replicate it. But wow, I'm just really amazed by how beautiful these are. What do you think, Angel? Do you like Coleuses? Yeah, you good girl. Go get it. I don't know what she thinks she's getting. What do you think? Do you have a favorite flower that you think is the most beautiful flower on earth? Let me know in the comments.